Welcome to our video, how to make your home feel like a private jet without spending millions. If you've ever dreamed of living in the luxury and comfort of a private jet, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore simple yet impactful design strategies and enhancements that can transform your living space into a serene, high-end retreat. From sleek, minimalist aesthetics to plush fabrics and cutting-edge technology, join us as we reveal how you can elevate your home to a first-class experience without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. 1. Opt for sleek, minimalist design. Private jets are the epitome of elegance and sophistication, often boasting clean and streamlined interiors. To bring this luxurious feel into your home, consider adopting a minimalist design approach. Focus on choosing simple yet high-quality furniture that speaks volumes through its subtle elegance. Neutral tones like whites, grays, and beiges work wonders in creating a peaceful atmosphere. By avoiding over-decorating and keeping surfaces clear of clutter, you invite a sense of spaciousness that echoes the roomy cabins of private jets. This minimalist approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also promotes a calming environment, making your home a sanctuary. 2. Invest in premium, plush fabrics. The tactile experience inside a private jet is often defined by the use of luxurious, high-quality fabrics. Bringing this into your home involves selecting materials like velvet, leather, and suede for your furniture and decor. Envision soft throw blankets draped over a plush sofa, or rich linens adorning your bed. Silky cushions can provide both comfort and style, mimicking the indulgent seating found in a private jet's lounge. A custom velvet armchair or cozy, plush sofa will elevate your space, wrapping you in the same comforting embrace that a jet's lounge offers on a long flight. 3. Mood lighting with dimmer switches and LED strips. Atmospheric lighting is a hallmark of private jets, creating an ambiance that is both inviting and luxurious. You can achieve this in your home by installing dimmer switches for your overhead lights, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your mood. Warm-toned lamps provide a cozy glow, while LED light strips offer versatile accent lighting. Consider investing in smart lighting systems that can change colors, adapting to different times of day or special occasions. This not only adds a touch of sophistication but also gives you the ability to tailor the atmosphere of your home to your liking. 4. Use custom or high-end furniture. The elegance of private jet seating can be mirrored in your home by investing in custom or high-end furniture. Look for pieces with sleek lines and luxurious upholstery that exude sophistication. Aircraft-style seats, with their low-slung and comfortable design, can transform your living room into a space reminiscent of a private jet cabin. High-back chairs provide added comfort, while the use of premium materials ensures durability and style. By selecting furniture that combines aesthetics with comfort, you create an environment that invites relaxation and indulgence. 5. Create a relaxing ambiance with sound systems. High-quality sound systems are a staple in private jets, enhancing the travel experience with ambient music or calming sounds. Recreate this in your home by installing high-fidelity speakers in your living area or throughout the house. Play your favorite music or soothing ambient sounds to enhance the mood and create a serene environment. Whether it's classical music, jazz, or the gentle sound of waves, the right audio setup can transport you to a place of relaxation and luxury comparable to a private jet journey. 6. Monochromatic color palette with accents. Many private jets feature soft, monochromatic color schemes that are both calming and sophisticated. To bring this aesthetic into your home, stick to a palette of calming neutrals like gray, white, and navy. Add touches of metallics like chrome, gold, or silver for a touch of elegance. These accents can be introduced through decor items, fixtures, or even small pieces of furniture. The result is a harmonious color scheme that exudes tranquility while maintaining an air of sophistication. 7. Futuristic tech and smart home features. Private jets are often equipped with cutting-edge technology, and you can replicate this in your home by incorporating smart devices. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, and voice-controlled assistants can elevate your home's tech to match that private jet experience. Consider installing a home theater system for an immersive entertainment experience. These futuristic tech features not only add convenience but also enhance the overall luxury feel of your home. 8. Luxury bathroom accessories. While not part of the main living area, a luxurious bathroom can elevate the overall feel of your home. Think spa-like features such as rainfall showerheads, heated floors, and large bathtubs. Plush towels and high-end toiletries add a touch of indulgence. Consider installing a high-tech toilet with features like bidets and heated seats to take your bathroom experience to the next level. These upgrades not only enhance comfort but also contribute to a cohesive luxury atmosphere throughout your home. 9. High-end kitchen appliances. In a private jet, the kitchen is compact yet functional, often featuring high-end appliances. Upgrade your kitchen with sleek, professional-grade appliances like stainless steel ovens, a smart fridge, and a wine cooler. A minimalist island countertop that doubles as a social space can enhance both functionality and aesthetics. These high-end kitchen elements not only improve your cooking experience but also add a touch of elegance to your home. 10. Private retreat spaces. Just as a private jet offers cozy nooks for relaxation or work, your home can benefit from private retreat spaces. Create a reading nook with soft seating, or a zen corner for meditation and relaxation. A stylish home office with modern, ergonomic furniture and calming decor can provide a productive yet peaceful environment. These private spaces offer a refuge from the hustle and bustle of daily life, inviting you to unwind and recharge in style. 11. Incorporate glass and mirrors. Mirrors and glass surfaces are often used in private jets to create a sense of space and light. Consider incorporating mirrored furniture, glass tables, and reflective surfaces throughout your home. These elements can make rooms feel larger and more open, enhancing the airy, luxurious feel. The use of glass and mirrors not only adds visual interest but also contributes to a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. 12. Open concept layout. The open, airy feel of a private jet cabin can be mimicked by creating an open concept layout in your home. Removing unnecessary walls or partitions will make your space feel more expansive and free-flowing. This layout encourages natural light to permeate the space, enhancing the overall ambiance. An open concept design fosters a sense of connection and flow, making your home feel more inviting and luxurious.